Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix Discord connecting problem. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on in. So you might be in a situation where you are connected to Wi-Fi but are facing difficulties or is stuck on connecting. Then watch this video till the end to be able to fix this problem completely. Just follow these simple steps and your problem should be fixed. So the first thing that you can do is check if the Discord servers are down or not. Now, to do this, just tap on your browser and on the search bar, tap on Discord server status and tap on the first link. And here, if you see anywhere, then that means your server is down and it may take some time to fix it. Now as you can see, this is all green, so that means the server is good. Now what you can do after that is check to see if your internet connection is poor or not. Sometimes poor internet connection also might be the reason causing this problem. So just scroll on your notification bar, tap on airplane mode and wait for about 10 seconds. And after that, when you open it, you should be able to use Discord. And if that doesn't work either, then just tap on the settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and from here, after loading, scroll down until you find the Discord app. And when you find it, just tap on that, tap on offload app, and when you do that, it says reinstall app once again. Just tap on that and your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, leave a like, comment what the next video should be on, a sub to the channel will be most appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.